you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Whew. Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. And as you can see, I'm taking down all the Christmas decorations because Christmas is gone and New Year's is gone. And we are now welcoming in 2025. And I have a feeling this is going to be the year that we have to survive. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The next few videos I'm putting out are very important because I'm going to show you how to work your budget and win, okay? You're going to go shopping once or twice a month. That's it. So how are you going to do that? And I'm going to show you. Today we're going to go shopping, but just for a couple things that we need to get a meal for today and maybe tomorrow. Okay, just the bare necessities, and we're going to get things that I know I'm probably not going to get from the food pantry. Okay, tomorrow's food pantry day. Once we go there, that's going to dictate what I get from the store when I do my real grocery shopping. Okay, and when I do the real grocery shopping, I'm going to show you how to save money doing that. There's a big special thing that you may not know about, and I want to educate you on it. Okay, but for right now, let's go get the bare necessities we need to get us by for just 2 days without spending our total food budget on impulse buying. Let's go. And to show you exactly what I mean, I have some ground turkey, some garlic, 4 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of whole kernel corn. Guess what I'm going to make? Some chili. All I need is some crackers. I already got some cheese and some seasoning. Oh, and I think I might pick up some onions and green pepper. So come on, let's go. Okay, remember what I said about not having some things in the food pantry or being able to get them there? Look at this, green peppers, 99 cents. Right on time. All right. Now for some onions. $1.99 for onions, you better believe it. Yep. Now I do need some cucumbers. This is not an impulse buy. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Maybe 4. I'll get 4. 2 for the salad, 2 for juice. Check this out. Red Delicious apples, 79 cents a pound. You better believe it. For my ginger carrot apple juice. And of course I gotta get my ginger. Oh yeah. Okay, so far I've got my basics. I could not find necessarily at the food pantry, and I've got my essentials for my chili. So with that said, now I'm gonna get my seasoning. Let's go. Look at this, nieces and nephews. I couldn't believe I found it. Chili mix, 30% less sodium. Yes, it was all the way down at the bottom. Sometimes you gotta really look. But I found it. I'm getting 4 of these because I get them anyway. And since I'm seeing them, I'm getting them. Can you believe this, nieces and nephews? I found them. Salt-free crackers. Oh, diggity dog. And they're on sale. I'm getting these. All right. Let's check out and head on back. All right, nieces and nephews, we are back. Excuse me. I'm going to show you everything I got. I'm going to tell you how much I spent. Now, I got a bag of onions. As you know, they were on sale. That's going in my chili. I've got some ginger root. I use this for my juices, my ginger shots, and cooking. Whole lot of stuff. Got some carrots. That goes in my apple, carrot, ginger juice, which I love. I can also cook with these. Got some apples. I got 4 cucumbers. Now, I can make a green juice with these, along with the apples and the carrots and the ginger. I got some lemons, lemonade. I can also use this to put Make a lemon sauce for my fish. Then I got some green peppers. I'm going to put these in my chili. Love those. I got some sour cream to go in the chili, of course. I got a gallon of water. I got 2 gallons, actually. I got another one in the icebox getting chill. Spring water. Love that. Some ketchup, because I desperately needed ketchup and it was on sale, so I got it. Got some crackers to go with my chili and other dishes I'm going to make. As you saw, I got this wonderful chili mix. 30% less sodium. So I got 4 of them. Reason being, I may not see them again. Then, of course, the stuff I already had for my chili. Now, how much did I spend? $35. That's it, that's all. I got my necessary fruits and veggies. I got my stuff for my chili. And I got some water, of course, I needed that. Now, I'm not going to spend any more until I go to the food pantry, which will dictate how much I'm going to spend and what I'm going to spend it on, okay? So it's just that simple. If you stick to that rule, you're not going to overspend. You'll have your food stocked for the month, and you'll save your money. Trust me on that. Okay, our next video, I'm going to show you how to use the food pantry the right way and how to use certain items in that food pantry, okay? All right, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. Now, let me know what you need for recipes. Let me know what you need for a pick-me-up, because this time of year, it can get depressing. Don't worry, I'm with you, okay, nieces and nephews? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Stay warm. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got